Hello, I am Alexander Solovatov, Media Manager at Elatom. In this video, I will explain how the financial model of the Electroatom project is structured, how investments are allocated, and the economic logic behind autonomous energy technology development. Our goal is to clarify the project's structure and the principles of its financing. First of all, it is important to understand that the project consists of three interconnected areas. The first is Tribel Technology, a scientific and manufacturing company engaged in the development and modernization of an autonomous powder-based power plant utilizing the triboelectric effect. This is where engineering solutions, prototyping, and production preparation are concentrated. The second one is Elatom, an investment company established to attract the funding for the project. Elatom organizes the investment process, provides legal support for investors, and accumulates funds to be transferred to the technological sector. Third, Electroatom is the project's international information and communication platform, through which the technology is promoted and a global presence is established. Thus, the functions are divided. Development is handled by Tribel Technology, financing goes through Elatom, and international expansion is managed by Electroatom. Elatom uses a crowdinvesting model. This means that both private individuals and international participants can become investors by acquiring shares in the project. The relationship is formalized through an investment agreement, and the investor's rights are confirmed by a certificate indicating the number of shares acquired. The investment model is designed to ensure formalized and legally documented relations between the investor and the project. The mechanism for capital movement is as follows. First, investments are accumulated through the Elatom platform. Second, in accordance with the concluded agreements, the funds are directed to Tribel Technology. They are then used for the development and modernization of the technology, preparation of production infrastructure, creation and refinement of prototypes, and organizational and engineering processes necessary for scaling. It is important to emphasize that Elatom does not engage in equipment manufacturing. Elatom provides the financial foundation for technological development. The project's economic model involves several avenues for generating profit. First, the sale of autonomous powder power plants as a physical product. Second, a potential operational model in which the installations are used for long-term energy generation. Third, the company's capitalization growth as the technology develops and enters new markets. The project also includes a partnership program that allows for the expansion of the investment base through structural growth. At the same time, it is important to understand that profitability directly depends on the successful implementation of the technological phase and the scaling of production. The project is focused on autonomous energy solutions, a field that is becoming increasingly in demand amid the global transformation of energy markets. If the stable operation of the technology is confirmed, the autonomous model can demonstrate high economic efficiency due to its compactness, scalability, and independence from traditional infrastructure. However, the key condition remains technological implementation and phased development. Any technological project requires time, resources, and engineering refinement. The development of autonomous energy solutions is a complex process that includes scientific research, testing, and production preparation. The project is implemented in stages, and each stage requires funding, technical verification, and management decisions. The financial model of Elatom is based on a clear division of functions, legal formalization, and a systematic approach to the development of autonomous energy technology. The investor is involved not just in an investment platform but in a technological project focused on a long-term strategy. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about the financial model, they will be discussed in detail in the following materials.